Welcome back in the Miyagi Course. So in this lesson, in this course, I will teach you how to the basics of AI, how to think about AI, and how to use AI, the basic Miyagi moves of becoming a karate kid in AI. So in this lesson, what I want to teach you is how to think about, especially about money, and give ask ChatGPT to give us advice. So think step by step, and from now on, always respond in bullets, unless otherwise directed. Explain to me what money is and how to think about the financial system and works in plain English. So it's very important. Then, if we want to get an explanation, we'll ask it in plain English, and then it will give us a plain English explanation, so not any technical jargon. Money is a medium of exchange. It can be a form of coins, governments, a typically regulated financial system, banks, central banks, financial markets. So you can read it. It gives a basic idea about money and the financial system. The next prompt is I want to ask it. First of all, let's say I'm broke and I start in a wider context. So, what are list me the five biggest mistakes people can make that cause them to go broke? Overspending and lack of budgeting, ignoring debt. For example, this is very important. If you have debt, first thing is to pay it off. I highly recommend to read Total Money Makeover, by the way, and Baby Steps Millionaire and Millionaire Mindset, because I think this gives you the basics of money management, and it helps you to avoid overspending, lack of budgeting, ignoring debt, and neglecting savings. So you have to save up, especially for future bigger spend and poor investment decisions. If you have any sort of investment, okay, this is just a list. Let's say I'm broke and I want to become financially stable. What am my next step? What is my next step? Be short. So I create a budget to track your income and expenses. Explain. So let's say I want to ask more information about the same things. So I hope it will work. I don't know why it stopped, but yeah. When I ask it to explain me, um, rather than all sources of income, list all expenses, identify areas to cut back, and allocate a portion of your income into savings and debt repayment, and stick in the budget consistently. So I think it's a wider or deeper explanation of the same things. And the next thing is explain in plain English how can I start a business without any money. So I think I truly believe, and I always believed in bootstrapping, that you can start a business without connection, without being famous, without any money or capital, and without any debt. I know most of the people always think that you have to have money in order to start with business, and they never heard of bootstrapping when you simply start a business without having any money. And I think this gives you real superpower and real freedom, because you can empower yourself. You can start a business anytime without any money. Start with what you know and love. Offer services. By the way, that's the cheapest way to do it. So you don't have to have any products. For example, any time. It's more like you can make an offer today. Utilize free and low cost online platforms of marketing and selling. Network with friends, consider bartering and trading. Focus on providing value and building relationships to attract customers and grow your business over time. These are basic concepts, but not any specific. So I ask it to be more. upper specific. So choose a service or product you can provide without significant upfront investment, like tutoring, freelance writing, handmade crafts. This is very interesting. For example, I want to sell my courses. I can go to a platform here like Udemy, where I can start without any big investment upfront. Use a free online resource to create a simple website, like social media profiles, and offer services to friends, local businesses to gain initial um, word of mouth referrals. Look for free methods to acquire new customers, invest time in networking, and focus on delivering high quality work. It's more specific. I like it very much. So, sorry, let me also list me 10 ideas how I can make money using AI. This is very interesting because you will gain more, you will get more and more ideas, and it will expand your current mind. So we have an AI powered personal assistant. Let's create an AI driven chatbot service. Interesting. Offer an AI based data analysis. It's more advanced, more technical. If you like IT or tech, that's easy to consider. Develop a virtual AI tutor or educational platform. I believe that that's harder than create course, for example. Build an AI-driven recommendation engine for e-commerce. That might be interesting to consider. Provide AI-powered language translation. So let's say you are a simple translator. It's easier to translate your words in using AI. Develop AI algorithms for medical imagining analysis. So create an AI-driven content generation tool. I really love this idea, and I will show you ways to create content machine using AI. This is the next course I create, and offer AI-powered financial advisory. This might require some sort of permission or certification, so I would avoid this one. Type AI driven cyber security. This is very technical, but for example, this one, content generation and social and also video generation, I will show you in the next course. So it's a very important that you stay tuned because I will show you exact ways how to generate content, how to automate it, and how to generate videos and how to make money from videos. This is very important. This is a key skill. Either if you are a freelancer and you want to promote your brand or your services, either if you're a small business and you don't have the time or the effort or the money or the capital to do it yourself, or and you want to simply outsource and you want to automate the entire process. So I think there are affordable and easy ways to do it, and I will show you in the following lessons, but in the next course. But I wanted to open your mindset that you don't need money in order to start a business. Okay, so stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.